Nobel Laureate cautions us. The James Webb Telescope has, pretty these days, decided something uncommon within the universe, and we may not be organized for the progressions which can be coming. The maximum current disclosures present tough issues for our technological know-how. It's miles getting extra insane, in mild of the fact that yet again James Webb has discovered a totally new peculiarity that is turning our material science course book's capability the other way up. Astrophysicist and Nobel Prize champ Adam Ree has lengthy concept that researchers are setting out closer to debacle. Professionals report masses of difficult riddles which might be becoming each day. Could we at any factor in reality will grasp the condition? Or is our technological know-how at an end? Adam Ree is probably a rarity among specialists who are keeping a calm mind in recent times because the send-off of the James Webb Space Telescope. Not anything is as it used to be. The universe might be a lot more seasoned than predicted. Universes have framed an awful lot faster and uniquely in comparison to every one of our forecasts, and our universe won't be developing from a solitary point. What happens now if dark matter is doubtlessly still in mistakes? And James Webb is now introducing the following image of perplexing peculiarities in the universe. Adam Ree is one of the foremost experts inside the subject of exam into the developing universe. His willpower to the disclosure of the dashing up development of the universe reformed our attitude on the development of the universe and changed into one of the foundations of the Hubble electricity. Ree invites the telescope's most latest disclosures on account that he is aware of from his own instances of dedicated work that our cosmology is defective. He became related to reviewing the universe and making use of supernovae as candles without precedent for this placing. Supernovae candles are some things like considerable scopes that researchers use to gauge trends and distances within the universe. Using supernovae as a backyard stick, amazingly specific estimation effects may be completed, but one trouble remained. Ree and his group found that the improvement of the universe was growing territorially in place of diminishing for the duration of their paintings. Another peculiarity have become apparent as Ree's estimation results vary extensively from those primarily based on the crimson shift technique. This should no longer honestly be the case. Today, we understand the contrasts within the estimation outcomes because the Hubble voltage. Ree's paintings became so top-notch that he changed into granted a Nobel Prize in bodily generation in 2011, together with his companion Perlmutter and Brian P. Schmidt. Fact be informed, he got the honor for the revelation of the sped-up extension of the universe. Ree and Schmidt are people from the immoderate supernova SEEK group that's exploring strategies to refine the proportions of distance in the universe. Perlmutter, then again, came to comparable ends at round something very similar time as a characteristic of the supernova Kaus cosmology venture. They discovered type Ia supernovae, enormously high-quality detonating stars that function robust signs of distances within the universe. These perceptions gave the first-rate evidence that the pace of extension of the universe is growing rather than diminishing due to the gravitational impacts of difficulty within the universe, as previously idea. The great emergency in cutting-edge science modified into little by little getting ready, and currently the bomb has detonated. Instead of solutions, stargazers and cosmologists are constantly being offered to new riddles and shocks. Today, the concept of an isotropic universe is also close to the very verge of breakdown, and with it, one of the most important mainstays of our cosmology. Isotropy expects that the universe looks comparable this manner and that paying little thoughts to wherein you check out at it from. This presumption is a fundamental part of the cosmological elegant, which expresses that the universe is homogeneous and isotropic on the off threat that we check out at it on great sufficient scale. As an instance, the huge microwave basis radiation format seems consistent throughout, and our bunches of universes are too conveyed constantly across area. Basically, this is the manner it used to appearance, and researchers then grew to become these perceptions into critical numerical policies to streamline logical portrayals of the universe. However, this may additionally were a clumsy mix-up. The perceptions of Adam Ree and unique researchers investigating sped-up extension have at first affirmed the isotropic version to some volume, because the estimations of supernovae have shown regular effects with appreciate to the tempo of extension. Because of this, there offers off a power of being some form of isotropy. However, the extension is lots quicker than it ought to accord to old bodily assumptions. The finish of dark electricity stays energizing in technology. In request to realize the riddle of the new cosmology, we want to take a gander at darkish energy. Its unique concept is as yet uncertain, but its presence in homes are crucial if we want to understand how and why the universe grows in an isotropic way, and why specialists can act the current state-of-the-art version of cosmology. Dark strength is a theoretical form of electricity that might be available anywhere in the universe and assumes a key method in current speculation, approximately the extension of the universe. Its concept to be the primary impetus inside the lower back of the extended development of the universe, through appearing towards gravity, pushing the universe separated. In modern cosmological hypothesis, darkish energy is liable for spherical 68% of the all-out electricity content material of the universe. But here you can as of now see in problem researchers fault nearly 70% of the strength approaches in the universe on an in-strength whose presence has in no manner been proven. A huge problem supporting the presence and homes of darkish electricity to date grow to be the notion of type I supernovae as completed by way of Adam Ree and partners. The speeded-up extension noticed right here could not be made experience of without the impact of a massive unpleasant electricity. Extra proof that this weird electricity absolutely exists became given by using the cosmic microwave history radiation and different high-quality scale primary examinations. However, ongoing perceptions through the James Webb Area Telescope have now shaken the idea of dark electricity. The JWST can word the early universe in a degree of element that modified into previously impossible. Even the essential real perceptions expose designs and articles that are more pro and further created than they want to be as per the same old model of cosmology. Those perceptions could showcase that the universe may additionally have prolonged significantly quicker or commenced at a previous time than previously predicted. These outcomes show that we've got now not but seen some important components and powers within the universe, in conjunction with darkish remember and dark power. Almost in reality, we're currently confronting a complete revision of the usual cosmological version, yet we are not organized for that right now. We can't give you new hypothesis, considering we don't have enough massive statistics about what's new. We find the response in the realm of quarks. So the peel in our attitude must stand by using a piece longer. Just whilst the net offers us more images and analysts make even more superb disclosures, can we be prepared to kind out any other photo that could require a few investment? Meanwhile, specialists everywhere inside the planet are searching out answers which might be are now available. David Gross is any other researcher who invites the emergency and sees it as an open door. Gross focuses out that the reaction to the high-quality secrets of the universe aren't cowl blanketed up inside the cosmos but within the microcosm. The outstanding theoretical physicist is an expert in the concept of robust interplay and string theory. He's moreover one of the Nobel Prize victors and bought the honor in 2004 for the discovery of asymptotic freedom in the concept of sturdy interaction. The discovery become important to identifying the manner of behaving of quarks, which may be the fundamental constructing blocks of protons and neutrons. Those particles are the maximum essential entertainers inside the trendy version of particle physics, and they're the idea of all that we will see and measure in space. Therefore, the crucial structures and standards of the universe must also have partners within the subatomic domain names. The ideas that grow serve to foster further to different matters with the activities not long after the huge bang. Understood that there were no stars and poor gadgets inside the universe spherical then. For a massive amount of years, there has been simply a completely hot early diploma soup wherein particles spitted freely via vicinity without forming bonds. Before the massive bang, there has been probable only a type of quantum variance in which all structures counterbalanced every different on this kind of way that in line with an actual attitude, they delivered as much as zero with the Big Bang. This quantum alternate went to quantities, and particles loaded with fees and forces shot into a typically vacant location. These debris later have become stars, systems, planets, and dwelling things like us. People are gross proper when he says that these debris are the solutions to all the questions prob. However, how will we deliver interest to the manner of behaving of debris that have been in space 13.8 billion years within the past similarly to specific subjects? Experts utilize the cosmic microwave historical past radiation that is viewed as a fairly real impact of the event fast after the huge bang and has maximum possibly no longer changed plenty from that factor ahead. But quantum physicists and conventional physicists do no longer quite select the manner to interpret this engraving of the good vintage days of the universe. Right now, the state of affairs in era is that quantum and particle physics cannot be accommodated with common cosmology. The discoveries from the universe of shaped remember do now not healthy with quantum physics, or as a substitute the linking connection is missing. David Gross is persuaded that this bridge can be discovered in formerly unfamous particles and powers. He changed into one of the professionals who endeavored to reach at, in agreement, the various disciplines. Even before the dialogue spark off through James Nett as co-creator of string concept and in a legitimate unification of quantum mechanics and popular relativity, he modified into brief to shut the distance between the two worlds and disciplines of generation. Gross's paintings on astic freedom describes how quarks act at very excessive energies that are fundamental to know how the early universe quick after the Big Bang whilst energies had been exceptionally excessive. His theories can provide an explanation for, at this thing, hazy components of the expansion of the universe. However, there is a few debate among researchers as the postulates of string concept are as well outlandish for the majority of traditional physicists. David Gross suspects that the responses to all unanswered inquiries lie in the quantum fluctuations inside the microwave history. The CMB fills the entire universe and can be appeared as taking all matters together directions spherical US. The Cosmic Heritage Explorer satellite TV for computer, which modified into energetic from 1989 to 1993, was the number one to natural minuscule adjustments within the temperature of the radiation from 2001 to 2010. The Wilkinson microwave anisotropy probe investigated to discover proof of the huge bang in these adjustments in most presently the Planck satellite TV for PC television for laptop provided quite likely one of the maximum unique maps of the CMB. But there is, however, conflict among experts concerning how this fact must be interpreted on the identical time. Some declare to have observed the fundamental evidence for the large bang within the CMB. Others see it as doubtlessly to phenomena like collisions with parallel universes or the existence of a multiverse. David Gross's work in string principle and his exploration of the conduct of particles at high energies offer capability insights into those questions by using bridging the distance between quantum mechanics and cosmology. Gross goals to provide a unified framework which can account for each the microscopic and macroscopic factors of the universe. As we retain to probe the mysteries of the cosmos, it is clear that we're at the breaking point of a paradigm shift in our information of the universe. New technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope are presenting exceptional perspectives of the cosmos, difficult lengthy held assumptions, and commencing up new avenues for exploration. In this era of uncertainty and discovery, collaboration across disciplines is fundamental. From theoretical physicists to observational astronomers, every contributes a chunk to the puzzle, presenting particular perspectives and insights. Through fostering interdisciplinary talk and embracing various techniques, scientists can better navigate the complexities of the cosmos and free up its innermost secrets. As we stand on the brink of a new technology in cosmology characterized by using each uncertainty and possibility, it is essential to keep a feel of wonder and interest. The universe is vast and mysterious, with countless wonders waiting to be discovered. And even as the adventure can be challenging, the rewards of knowledge our place within the cosmos are immeasurable. As we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, scientists are not only looking outward but also inward, exploring the fundamental building blocks of matter and the forces that govern them. David Gross's pioneering work in string theory exemplifies this approach, seeking to unify the disparate realms of quantum mechanics and general relativity by delving into the behavior of subatomic particles at high energies. By bridging the gap between quantum mechanics and cosmology, Gross aims to provide a unified framework that can account for both the microscopic and macroscopic aspects of the universe. As we probe further into the mysteries of the cosmos, it becomes evident that we are on the verge of a paradigm shift in our understanding of the universe. New technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope are offering unprecedented views of the cosmos, challenging long-held assumptions and opening up new avenues for exploration. In this era of uncertainty and discovery, collaboration across disciplines is crucial. From theoretical physicists to observational astronomers, each contributes a piece to the puzzle, offering unique perspectives and insights. By fostering interdisciplinary dialogue and embracing diverse approaches, scientists can better navigate the complexities of the cosmos and unlock its deepest secrets. As we stand on the threshold of a new era in cosmology, characterized by both uncertainty and possibility, it is essential to maintain a sense of wonder and curiosity. The universe is vast and mysterious, with endless wonders waiting to be discovered. While the journey may be challenging, the rewards of understanding our place in the cosmos are immeasurable. By remaining open-minded and embracing the unknown, we can continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and unravel the mysteries of the universe.